Hi, good morning children. This is your Lata ma'am. Welcome to our Nirbhaya Digital Learning class. Hi, hello, how are you kids? I hope you are all are safe. Yes? Before going to the topic, you should do warm-up exercise. Be ready student? Everyone sit in a place. Sit in a place. Keep backbone straight ma'am. Close your eyes. Breathe in. Breathe out. 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 Rub your hands. Put on your eyes. And slowly open your eyes. Clap your hands. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Clap children. Clap. Stop. 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 Okay children? Children, previous classes what you learned? How to measure the items, how to measure the cloths, how to measure the board, how to measure everything you learned. As kgs wise I will measure, grams wise I will measure. After that kilometers, meters, everything you learned. As today you will learn data, how to collect the data and how to do the charts. Okay, data handling. What is the chapter? Data handling. Chapter number 10. Chapter number 10. Data handling. Okay. See, data. What is mean by data? Tell me children, what is mean by data? What is mean by data children? A series of facts collected from some particular use is called data. A series of facts collected for some particular use is called data. See, is called data. Data. What is meant by data? A series of facts collected for some particular use is called data. See, after that collections. Collections. A group of objects are items taken together is called a collection. You should write in the classwork. Okay, write in the classwork this children. See collections. A group of objects or items taken together is called collection. Data. A series of facts called collected for some particular use is called data. Collections. A group of objects or items taken together is called collections. Right. Read and write children. Read and write. After that I'll show you what is that collections, how you will say that, how many things are there, that all. Okay. First you read and write this. Read and write. See children, for examples, I have collections of clips. See here, these are collections of clips. Okay, so many clips I have. See, small clips. See, like this. I have so many clips. In these collections, how many are purple color? See, in these clips, how many are purple color? Only one is purple color. As remaining, see, green. One is green color. As these are collection. I did collection. Okay. These are I collected. These clips I collected. Okay. How many are big size? See, 1, 2, 3. Three are big. Okay. Medium size 1, 2. Only 2 are medium size. Okay. Next, small clips. How many I have? Only 3. Small clips are 3 clips. Okay. Again, I have, see, stone clips. How many I have stone clips? 2 I have. Okay. These are collections. What is this? This is collections. The data I said. How many big clips are? 4. Medium clips are 2. Small clips are 3. And stone clips are 2. This is called data. Understood children? Okay. Next. Take out your textbook, ma. Open your textbook, everyone. See here textbook. Everyone open this page. See here. Arun has some toys with him as shown in this picture. Observe his collection and answer the questions. See, observe this properly. How many cars? See here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 cars. As bus 1, 2. Truck only 1. Cycle 1. Bike 1. As these all toys with Arun has. As here they given some questions. Okay. Read these questions and answer here. Understood children? You should read this question and should observe the pictures. After that you should answer here. Understood? See, how many toys does Arun have? See, total number of toys. How many have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many? 12 toys. Arun, 12 toys. Yes, total number of how many? 12. Which toy is Maximum in number. Maximum means what? Which toy is more? Okay, maximum means what? More. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 toys are car. Car toys are maximum as cars. Next, which toys are minimum in number? Minimum means what? Less. Less in number. Which toy? Bike, cycle, truck. 3 are there. As cycle, bike, truck. Only one is there. That's why minimum. Yes. Next, how many toy cars does Arun have? How many toy toys does Arun has? See, how many cars? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 cars. Yes. Next, how many toy buses does Arun have? How many bus? 1, 2. 2 buses. Yes, 2 buses. You should do like this. Understood, children? This is Arun collections of toys. Okay. What you did? You did here. They given some questions. You did your answer. Understood, children? This is called collections. Understood? Whatever you wrote here, that is called data. Understood? See, children, list of students in a class whose name begin with letter S. Okay, you should write S letter names. Okay, list out. See, list of students in a class whose name begin with a letter S. Serial number. Sorry. See, in your class only I will check. I will say what are the names are there. S letter. Okay. What you have to write first? Data you should collect S. That's why you should write like this. SL means S number means what? Serial number. Name of the student. Okay, you should write. See, S letter. Sai Saket. Sai Saket. S 2. Sai Yashwant. Again C. Sai Sharon. Again 4-1. Sai Karunya. See, how many came? 4. Okay. Name of the student and S letter starts from S letter. Like this. You should collect yourself also, children. Okay. You should collect not only S letter, any letter you should collect and you should write the names. Okay. And you can collect phone numbers also. Your friend's phone number you can collect. You can feed that in your book. Okay. Right.